Hey guys, back to another video. Sorry I'm not using the cameras, it's just that the mobile app won't work. Okay, and I don't know how to fix it, so yeah. I heard the new C update is out, so yeah. I'm gonna go check out the maps. Side house, fortress, I go this way. No one cares. Playground. I heard something about playground. What happened here? Yo. Can I see? Whoa! What the? You can swim now. Well, that's cool. Whew. See a guy here? Will you give me? I knew I saw something there. Okay. I need to find out where. Ooh, there's new items. What are these? Light olives, glowing pink plants. I don't want that. Ooh, anchor. I want that. These water. Ooh, glass. Flippers, propeller. Liquid, all this stuff. Slam and stuff. Ooh, cannon, stuffed cannon. Okay. Look. New thing. New bundle. Oh wait, no, I don't want that. Take this off. There you go. Ooh. And I like this. I might get that when I have enough. Ooh, I might get that one. What do you have here? Nah, bro. Okay. Yo, there's a shipwreck over there. Okay. Island. Island, there's beef. Island. Yo. Woohoo. Come on. There's zip lines down here. Oh, I want to go on the ship. Okay, bro. Okay, okay. Ooh, cannons. Ooh, I'm gonna go down here. I'm going to... A bunch of pillows here. Oh, I think that's what they are. Okay, I'm gonna go up. I heard something about new promo codes, but I don't know how to do like promo code stuff. Okay, let's go to boat battle. That sounds so cool. When I'm done recording this, I'm going to go in public lobbies and do boat battles. Boat battle. No pins. Hangout. Hangout? I thought this was boat battle. Ooh. I'm gonna go to the propeller. How do I get onto a boat and how do I redeem promo codes? Yoo-hoo. I don't know how to get on the ship though. You might need something. Okay. Oh. Okay. This is like, ooh. What's an inner tube? Where's the inner tube? That's the propeller. Liquid. No, that's an anchor. What the heck is an inner tube? I wanna go down here. I wanna go in here. Do I have anything that can break it? Can I break that? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, I'm getting. Okay, I'm going. You suck. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And now I'm gonna look at the red if they have the same thing there. I wanna see if they have. How dare you destroy it! Woo! Yoo-hoo! Okay. Destroy. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, I have 260. I am getting a lot. Okay, I want to break this. No, please, 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 please. What is this? Okay, I think that's all of it for here. Okay, I'm going back here. I'm gonna go to Spleef. Wait, why is it back to normal? I don't remember Spleef being a thing. Whoa. Okay. There's a lot of stuff here. Give me that. Yay! Wait, what I just unlock? Ooh, portable. Impulse bomb, sticky impulse bomb. Yeah, I think that's all for this update. How do I get, where's promo codes? That's the mobile app code. I guess I'm gonna have to figure that out. Bye.